So hello everybody, Brandon here again with the Desert Rat. This
Bad Mama Jama right here
is the transmission, transfer case, and power takeoff of my 1964 CJ5.
well, the transmission itself is a Borg T90.
Transfer case.
Spicer T18
This is a Koenig Ironworks power takeoff.
allows you to drive a winch with the power of the engine. And when you press the pedal, all of the power from your engine
To the winch at the front of your Jeep.
So that's actually quite unique.
I'm going to start the disassembly process for rebuild of these three items.
I don't know what it looks like inside.
What we have to do to get these things rebuilt.
I don't think any of the AMC engine blocks that I have can marry up to the transmission here. So, but I do have the
230 Tornado.
That came in the J.
and that's been 1966.
So maybe I can get the transmission to marry up to that. We're going to find all this information out here soon.
J3000 is not going to have the 230. It's going to have something different. That is that. Thank you.